3-in-1 electronics cleaning brush suits all of your devices: phone, tablet, laptop and more. Round, soft tip on one end for corners and edges. Narrow, hard tip on other end for ultimate detail cleaning. Brush clips into wiping pad for easy use and storage. Made of bamboo and recycled plastic. We don't even want to think about how much yuck your fave tech attracts. Luckily, this handy-dandy 3-in-1 solution will have it as clean as unboxing day. Use the soft brush to sweep away keyboard gunk, the crevice tool for tricky edges, and the microfiber cloth as the ultimate screensaver. Yes, we went there. The perfect size for your desktop or drawer. Keyboard brush, detail nib and microfiber screen cloth in one set. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. This nifty little item works very well. I like its relatively compact size to some others I've seen. I can tell the brush and rubber cleaning tip are going to last a long time. I am definitely becoming a fan of full circle products.